Our first step before we start mixing up our pumpkin bread is we're going to soak our raisins. Now, first of all, you want to use golden raisins, not black raisins, because these aren't quite as dried out and they're a little bit sweeter. And if you could get into the bag more quickly, that helps too. What the soaking is going to do is add a little bit more moisture to the raisins. Fortunately, you have your chef's knife. Add a little bit more moisture to the raisins and just plump them up a little bit. And we're going to soak them in orange juice, so it will also add a little bit of flavor. And you want 1 cup of raisins. Hopefully you don't have too many getting away from you. And you're just going to put them in a bowl and take orange juice. It's not a set amount of orange juice that you need. You just want to pour in enough so that they're covered. You don't want them floating in it. You just want them covered so that they can soak up some of that juice. And then we're just going to let this sit a little bit. You can see they're just barely covered. I'm going to let it sit and we'll start working on the rest of our pumpkin bread.